Hey guys, today I have the October glossy box for you guys. Yeah, I kind of got it late, but it is what it is. And we're gonna go ahead and jump in. This is the theme for this month. I love the little masquerade mask. And we're gonna go ahead and untie the ribbon and jump into it. So it's called the Magical Masquerade Edition. So let's go ahead and jump in here and see what is in here. Ooh, first thing in here is, what is this? Oh, I thought it was a palette. It's not a palette. It's actually a travel size discovery set for her. And these are perfumes. Ooh, I love perfumes. If you saw my Instagram recently, I just bought a little perfume set. It's very similar to this. Oh, this is so cute. So you have three little minis in here, and one is called Rich and, oh, one is called More Gourmand, More Floral, and More Zest. And this is by Judith Lieber. And yeah, so it says that you wear it alone or mix them for more. Ooh, so that is what they look like right there. I love mini perfumes, roller balls. I'm not into like buying a full like huge bottle unless I like absolutely love a scent. So I absolutely love this little discovery set, and this is worth, the discovery set is worth $12. Oh, the full size of this is $145. Yeah, and I feel like perfumes have gotten super pricey lately. Every perfume that I like, when I look at the full size, I'm like, damn, they're all like $98, $100, $120, and I'm just like, yeah, I'll stick to my roller balls. Okay, next thing in here is the Starry Eyes. This is a self-warming eye mask. Oh, this is nice. I've never seen that before. And this is, it warms up in 30 seconds. It's $4. And it says, if you're having trouble getting your beauty sleep and just want to feel extra relaxed, just pop on this mask. It has non-woven cotton and naturally occurring ingredients. It's fragrance free and has a warm, soothing relaxation. So I'm gonna test this out. I've never used a self-warming one. It seems very different and cool to me. We'll see if I can use it like at night to try to relax and like go to sleep. But I think that that's very cool. I've never seen that before. Next thing in here is the Josephine. This is Glamorously Healthy. This is a bold matte liquid lipstick. This is worth $30. And this is called Meet Tiffania. Okay, so this is definitely a red, if I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah, she is a red orange. I think I'm going to just give this away to someone because I do have way too many red oranges and I don't really gravitate to that kind of color. But this, if I'm not mistaken, I have used this brand before and I really like it. It's more of a watery formula, so it gives you enough time to set on your lips before you, you know, before it sets into place. So you have enough time to kind of play with it and really fill in your lips. Next thing in here is the Ahava Smoothing Body Lotion. This has superfood, kale, and turmeric, and this is worth $5. Next product in here is the One Kind. This is the Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. It has squalene and rosehip, which are antioxidants. It has barley seed and chamomile extracts and is supposed to help with, you know, anti-aging. So cute little one, and that is worth $12. Then the last thing in here is the Ico Black Magic. This is a liquid liner and wide lash. Ooh, this looks right up my alley. This is more of a, what's it called? It has, God, think Melissa, it's not a felt tip. It has like little hairs. So this is the kind of eyeliner that I love and live for. And this has, this one is worth $12. Where do you find Ico? I feel like I've seen this brand so many times in boxes, but I can't seem to find it in like any store or anything like that. But this is the kind of brush that I like. I just feel like you can do like really thin lines when it comes to this, and I love the control that I have with this as a more flexible like hair than when a felt tip, which is more stiff. So excited to try this out, and it's called Black Magic. Okay, don't know if my hair was all jacked up here for the whole video, but I'm sorry if it was. But that is all for the Glossybox for October. I know this is super late, but you know, I don't really control when I get stuff sent to me. But let me know what you guys thought of this month. Did you enjoy yours? What were your favorite products? I'm really excited to try this self-forming mask. It just really piques my curiosity. And also the eyeliner, that is something that I love, trying new eyeliners when I find the ones that have the little hairs like that, just because that is my preferred kind of eyeliner. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit that little red button down below. I have my social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.